Hey guys, I'm Sam Cambetus, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Google Pixel stand and see how it works with other brand phones. So first of all, we will test it out with a Pixel phone and see how it's meant to work, and then we're going to test it out with a Samsung Galaxy and an iPhone just to see what the difference is and whether you can use it with other brand phones. The Pixel stand offers more than just a charging station for Pixel phones. It transforms your phone into a smart hub, similar to a compact version of the Google Home. When you initially dock your Pixel, you'll go through a quick setup process. During setup, you can select your preferred smart devices for quick access and even display your photos from your Google photo album. But what about other people in your household? Can they use the Pixel stand with their Samsung Galaxy or iPhone? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. To use the Pixel stand, you need to check if your smartphone supports Qi charging. You can find this information on your phone manufacturer's website or in the device specifications. Most new phones are Qi capable, but it's always a good idea to double check before purchasing a wireless charger. Let's test the Pixel stand with a non-Pixel device like the Samsung Galaxy S21, which is an older phone. This will help us see how a non-Pixel device works with the Google stand. Okay, so we'll dock the phone, and you can see the phone is currently at 88%, and we have fast wireless charging and 23 minutes until full. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone and you dock it for the first time and it doesn't work, you just need to go into your settings and then battery and device care, and then in here you just want to click on battery, scroll down to the bottom and hit more battery settings, and then just make sure you've selected all the fast charging settings. So when you're using a non-Pixel phone, you're not going to have the smart home controls available on the screen with just one tap, and you're not going to have the Google Photos slideshow available to you. So pretty much it's just going to be a standard wireless phone charger for any other phones that aren't Pixel. So is it worth buying? Yeah, I think it is. If somebody in the house does have a Pixel phone and they're going to be the main user, I would recommend getting it, and then it's just available for anyone else in the house with other brand phones to charge their phone. Or if you just want a nice looking, quality made fast charger, then this is also a great option for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.